Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace. Install Lightroom and sign in, then grant storage and camera permissions so the app can read and write files. Next, import your images. Tap the plus, choose folder, and select Photos or Enable Auto Add from Camera Roll. Once done, Lightroom creates a catalog of originals and smart previews. This lets you edit quickly without duplicating huge files. Make sure to verify import destinations, so files land on internal storage or SD as you prefer. You proceed into editing by following a logical order. Crop first to set composition, then open Light to adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows for balance. Once balanced, move to color to correct white balance using temp and tint and to tweak vibrance or saturation. After global edits, apply selective adjustments with the brush, linear, or radial filters to refine specific areas. Use Auto as a starting point. It gives a consistent baseline you can fine-tune quickly and efficiently. You finish by exporting and syncing. Tap Share, choose Export as, set file type, quality, resolution, and destination. Save to device or camera roll or sync to Adobe Cloud for cross-device access. Make sure sync is enabled if you want edits on desktop. If something goes wrong, missing photos or edits not appearing, refresh the library, clear Lightroom cache, and confirm storage permissions. That usually resolves file visibility and performance issues. If the app still misbehaves, sign out and sign back in to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.